is a dynamic process which has continuous 5 functions in a series. The function that begins with planning, ends with controlling, but it never ends with controlling. It restarts again from the planning. It is a continuous process that we had already studied in the characteristics of management. It starts with planning, organizing, then staffing, directing, controlling, and again goes to the planning. It is called replanning. So, planning means to say the thinking in advance. Thinking in advance means to say what we have to do in the future. What should be the goal which we have to attain in the future. It is what to do, how to do, when to do, who is going to do it. Means the main focus is on what, how, when, and who. So it is all about the goal. Planning never, you can say planning never prevent the problems. It only help us to face the problems in the future by predicting them in the occurrence, by predicting their occurrence in the future. Second is organizing. Organizing means to say assigning the duties, grouping the tasks. Assigning the duties means who is going to do the work. Grouping the task means the work is being divided into small parts, small jobs, and then the similar nature jobs are being grouped into one task. Then establishing authority relation. Authority relation means who will work under whom, who will be the superior and who will be the subordinate. Then allocating resources. Allocating resources means to say to provide the resources which are required to carry out the plan. Which are required to carry out the plan means to say which are necessary for making the plan in actual work. Third is staffing. Staffing means to say finding a right person with right qualifications. Right person means the person who is right for the job position with the right qualification at the right period of time. For example, if we require the manager in production department, so he should be having the qualification and experience related to the production department, and he will be posted in the position of manager, production manager, at the right time when it is required, when the situation is vacant, not before or after that situation. Fourth is directing. Directing means to say supervising, motivating, guiding, or we can say leading. Leading as a leader. Communicating with the subordinates. Subordinates are the people who are working under the managers to achieve the organizational goal. It is to supervise them. Supervise means to oversee them, to monitor, to motivate them to achieve the goals. It is of two types which we will further study in directing chapter. Then guiding. Guiding means leading them towards the common goal, communicating with them with the instructions and their grievances, their problems, and to achieve the organizational goal. Last but not the least one is controlling. Controlling is monitoring the organizational performance towards the attainment of predetermined goal. Predetermined goal means planning. The goal set in the planning. So it is most crucial step where the performance of the workers is being monitored, so that it should be checked whether they are working towards the attainment of the goal or not, whether they are utilizing the resources properly or not. Efficiency and effectiveness both are being controlled over controlling. And then whatever being the flaws are there in the plan that is being restarted from this step to replanning. So it is a continuous process of 5 functions which are interrelated to each other.